In this video, I will be replacing this light that is the overhead area of my recliners. And I will be replacing this fixture with a set of spotlights that I previously constructed. And you can review that project by clicking on the link I'll provide here, which will take you to my website. And when you go to my project webpage, you can download a PDF that has all the build instructions. And I also have the different build materials. I call this a universal light because you can build it one of several different ways. And I go through all the different iterations of that, and plus what it looks like with different types of LED fixtures. So if you want to build this project, you want to go to the website. And here's the fixture that I built, and I actually did a video on this recently. And if you have not seen a video, I'll post a link to that here. But these are the lights that I'm going to replace the other fixture with. I also designed this fixture to have the same hole pattern as the fixture that it's replacing, so we shouldn't have to drill any more holes into the ceiling. In the standoffs, the top will unscrew, and I took a number 8 screw and actually had to grind the edge off so it would fit inside here, but this screw should fit in here, and then they'll screw in like that. Now it's a simple matter of cutting the old wires off, put the new wires on, and I put the 4 standoffs here. And if you're not replacing this exact fixture, you can print out a drill template from the build template, set it up there, and then locate the holes. And I'm going to actually get all 4 of these studs started first, and then I'll take them out one at a time and put some thread lock on them. I ended up cutting a piece of black plastic out of basically just a folder, a binder, just those little plastic binders. And I got to trim it a little bit, but I'm going to just kind of slide it in there. And so now we should do an operational test, or what we used to call back in the day a smoke test. And first I'm going to turn the halo light on. And that's just a kind of like a little accent light. Next we'll just turn the lights on, and you can see we can dim them. And then when the little light is on, we are in remote control, so we can turn them on and off with remote.